In this video, we'll talk about the SMA, or Simple Moving Average. It closely follows the trend, showing the average price. To make the Simple Moving Average appear on the chart, just open the Indicators tab and select SMA. Under Settings, set a period of 60. As you see, our moving average now shows the smooth movement of the price without random fluctuations. But to trade on the SMA, we'll need one more such indicator, but with different settings. We need to reopen the Indicators table and set the period to 4. If we watch these two indicators at the same time, we'll get clear signals to enter a trade when they intersect. The signal to open a short trade will be the top-down intersection of a fast SMA with a slow one. The signal to open a long trade will be the bottom-up intersection of a fast SMA, period 4, with a slow one, period 60. Use the SMA indicator on Trades platform for impressive results.